97, travel on the old Romeo 6C. What a beautiful motor gun. That traveller ends up this way, I think. Still this weekend too, over at Lamrock, which I know you've been to.
Yeah, I've got him.
I saw your little stacks of Lamrock from your trip away there. Control, no pit boards, no special signals.
See how good they are. 31 on screen, just drawn all side by side.
Really well, 51 going through. Really well, 51 going through.
A white scarf at the time when you could get away with that. Cam's now noticeable. Australia wasn't too keen about that in more recent years, so they were just tied to the roll bar. Yellow now, that's a buckle.
14, I just spoke about it. I don't know. Oh dear, the conversation. And they were just selling water and what was left of all their cases and that, so hopefully they're back up and running.
Yes.
Cafeteria had a good one this morning, and the one down the other end of this had a reasonably good one as well. I've tested them all. Of course it is.
Cars out there have certainly nominated.
Absolutely, and I noticed in the answers there. As he came in, so the rest of the a little early. Car 41 going through there, the SoCal special.
That's one of them. Yellow now, that's a buckle.
Memory, and beside me is Peter Shea. Welcome, Peter.
Yeah, thanks, Phil, and good afternoon, everybody. Beautiful weather here in Winton this afternoon, so looking for some good racing and regularity this afternoon and also tomorrow.
Now look at some of the cars that are out there. The presentation across the field of these cars is absolutely stunning. You have the Decker Major up there?
I had the Decker Major there. Look at the field concertinaing as we look at it, Charles.
That's right, and they're all up there.
And Reese Mackay trying it hard as he always does, coming through the first spot.
Everybody waving through enthusiastically. And then the first section trial cars we spoke of before, they love going through the mud. They look nice and clean now, but you should see them after a day of slogging through what they call an OST, which is the Observed Section Trial event.